Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy Blue Boy FX. So earlier on sometime we used this indicator on the Crash 300 where I showed you how this works. But now this is a video showing how this works on the Boom 1000. Like I want to use a Boom Pay, not just Boom 1000. I want to use a Boom Pay. Okay, and also I'd love to also show you why you should not depend fully on indicators. Okay, so please, if you haven't subscribed to the Blue Boy FX channel, do well to subscribe to the Blue Boy FX channel, and check the description of this video. You're going to find the link to our Telegram channel, which is free to join. Then we have the VIP where we give signals. Okay, so hold on guys, let me just show this to you. Here's the VIP. So you see we're smashing TPs. So this is the VIP where we give out VIP signals daily to our VIPs upon seeing a very good setup. So once we see a good setup, that's when we give trades. Okay, so you can join the winning team, and we have the free Telegram channel which you can join for free. Okay, the link is on the description of this video, and the link to my WhatsApp if you want to contact me is also on the description of this video. We offer mentorship, of course we teach. Just get your Zoom ready and good internet, and we are there to serve you good forex good forex education. Okay, so I trade using price action. Okay, so price action is actually very legit for me, and other traders or use other strategies, should I call it, but I trade using price action. So well, on the indicators here, we have the moving average. Of course, if you watched the other video where I showed how to use the C or this on the Crash, you can just keep the settings. But if you did not, this is the setting. The period is 21, the shift is 0, method exponential. This is the moving average on the main chart. Okay, exponential, the method is exponential. You apply to low. Sorry, I'm used to close. Okay, so you use low, not close. Okay, there are no levels, all time frames, use any color. Then you go back. This is the RSI that gives us the levels. Okay, the RSI that gives us levels. So you can use any color, but don't use white because you have to see. Okay, you have to see. If you're using the RSI, if you're using a white background, okay, this is how it's going to be. But the levels, when you're inserting the levels, make sure to use another color, maybe black or pink or something, but not white. Okay, so these are the levels: 10, 20, 50, 80, and 90. Okay, here is let's say description for this is going to be, let's say, so that it will be easy. TP one tech, then okay, so these are the settings. Period is 1, apply to close. So you see you also what I did there. This is the style, the color is white, but when you're adding the levels, make sure you use black. Now the second moving average is on the indicator window 1. We had the first one on the main window. Now this is another one. The period here is 1. Okay, sorry, I'm on the road. I just have to do a quick one. So the period here is 1, the shift is 0, method exponential, we apply to low. Okay, levels, there are no levels, and the time frame, all time frames, just use any color. So this is the Boom 1000. So right now we have the Boom 1000, and on the 30 minutes time frame, it's showing us that it's a downtrend. And one thing that I noticed when I open this chart is I have a support here. I've not opened this page today. I've not traded Boom 1000 in, I think, in like a long period, I guess. Yeah, because it's not that. So I actually haven't traded it for like a couple of days, if not weeks. So I came back to realize I have a support here, and let's see where the support actually came from. This is the 4-hour daily time frame. Okay, so you see where this came from. I'm guessing I've not traded since that period. So let's look at the H4, because I guess if we go back, we are actually going to find something there. So this is a break and retest, but there's something, you see. So it's been happening. So that's why that was a resistance that turned to a support, and now it's either going to turn to a support or a resistance. So let's see what this 4i is going to close, and let's see if it's going to break that place. So this is the boom 1000, and as I was saying earlier, on the 30 minutes it showed us that it's a downtrend. It showed us that it's a downtrend, and now we are here for it. So this indicator actually is showing you that it's time to what, to buy, to scalp. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, it's showing you it's time to scalp. So now let's go to the 5 minutes. Now on the 5 minutes, it's showing you that it is an uptrend, like market has been buying. So now, are you going to hold on to the 5 minutes, or you're going to hold on to what the 1 hour, or what the 30 minutes, or what the daily time frame says? So at this point, it's very good. That's why I said why you shouldn't depend fully on indicators. That's why I said price action is very important. Okay, like now you know that this is a very strong candle. You can see that the daily time frame is a very strong one, and we have another. So this one, it's been a very long time here. When market was here, that's like weeks ago. So you see this was a resistance, this was a support, and it has broken, and since then it retested a certain region here. So if you go on the lower time frame, you might actually find a resistance here. Okay, you might actually find a resistance here. So you see another one came here, breaking. So it's very good to study it on the higher time frame. So now, would you rather take what is on the 5 minutes, or would you take what's on the higher time frame? But that's why we now try to bring out indicators that can actually detect this a bit. So now you going in for this is like a waste of time. Why don't you rather scalp the market instead of going to catch the booms? Okay, why don't you scalp? Because on the lower time frame now, this place that I wanted to set as a TP1, I forgot to click on done, so it should appear. Okay, is now like a place that market might actually reject from, because I said you take your TP1 from here, and you see when market got to this level here on this our indicator, that was a spike. So market got to this level, it started going down. So now this indicator now is going to tell you, hey, this is the best thing to do. You wait for the market to get to this level. So now, how does this indicator work? This indicator works by using the 5 minutes, okay, which is a little bit of the higher time frame, but you have to make some confirmations. That's why you can't just depend fully on indicators. Okay, so now what are you saying here? We are seeing a rejection. This already is a very huge rejection. So this candlestick opened by 9, and this one will be closing by, this is like 10, 11, 12, by 1 in 3 hours. Okay, let's say in 2 hours and some minutes. So if this should give us spikes and change to a very to a bullish candlestick, you now watch out to catch those spikes that you are looking for, because this is a support, and this is a very good place to go into a trade from. Because imagine this is what the 4 hours is showing you. Sorry guys, I had to move, so I had to stop the video. Now let's continue from where we stopped. Now getting back to the 4 hours, let's see what's happening. You see that candlestick now has turned bullish, and now that means that support stands. As I said, it's a very good place for you to buy from. I think that's what I was about to say before the video ended. So you see now that support stands. So that's why price action is very important. Price action is very important. So now what's the 5 minutes showing us? That 5 minutes, now you see that it's on the indicator is actually right, being that it has gotten to this level. But now this level being a very sensitive level, market might actually reject from here using the indicator, but now what's the higher time frame showing us? It's showing us that market might actually be pulling up from there. But don't forget, this is a downtrend, but we have a support somewhere there.
So there are a lot of things you have to look out for before going into a trade. We have shared the indicator settings with you guys. Okay, for those of you that didn't get it, just screenshot this. Period was 21. Okay, shift method exponential apply to low. So you can just screenshot this, the RSI, and don't forget the levels. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like the video, share with your friends. Okay, so when you're done with this, you go back and wait for your spike, and also observe the chart as well. That's another spike there. So market is actually buying up here. So the 5-minute stance, the indicator, and confirmation from the daily time frame, a higher time frame, which is the 4 hours. You see that there was a huge rejection here already that I talked about. This one here. So this candlestick, this is a rejection, like a rejection, huge rejection from here. So this candlestick is actually going to bust up, being that this is a support on the higher time frame, on the lower time frame as well. This is a support and it's been respected. So market is going to buy up to a certain level here, TP1, using the higher time frame. And at this juncture, you have to place your SL at least a little bit below here and swing the trade. So it's very important for you to know these things and not just depend fully on indicator. So you see that price action works, indicator here, but you have to study the chart. You have to study the chart. So guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share with your friends, and I hope this video has helped you. If it has helped you, make sure you subscribe to the channel and join the free Telegram channel. VIP is running account management in case you don't have time to. So you know that before I go, let me show you something. You know that this also works on other price action also works on other pairs, not just the boom and the crash. So this is VIX, this is the 4-hour. So you see this market getting here. I have my analysis already. It was an uptrend that was broken. When it broke, it came all the way down here, formed the support, went back up, retested this region and went up, and rejected from here as well. So you see it's been coming down. So now it's supposed to come down. It's going to sell down. I expect it to sell down to this level. So you see that price action actually helps. If I want to go into this trade, I'm going to give it for a sell because it's been selling for a very long time. Okay, so even I think on the VIP we gave that VIX 75, I think so. Okay, it was a buy that we gave. Okay, but now it's selling. So make sure you join us, make sure you join the Blue Boy team, and I'm going to be waiting to welcome you. Thanks for watching this video, and keep on doing what you're doing. Support by watching and sharing with your friends. Share this knowledge with others. Don't just keep it to yourself. See you guys on the next video.